I think that my work can speak to a different audience even when I'm talking from my personal experience in a country like Cuba and trying to be the voice of my people and my country. So I hope in pieces like, for example, Sentimientos Encontrados, where I'm collecting the heartbeat of hundreds of people. This is a work that is speaking about Cuba, but it's speaking about the human and sensational, where lifetime, or when I cut the fragments of those heartbeats, I'm also expanding and evoking other metaphors about the human being, about our lifetime, about how short is life, especially in a world full of conflicts. And in this work that we have behind, which is the first of the series, Littoral, I am trying to depict or represent a view of the sea from somebody that is stand up in the shore, in the coast, from somebody that doesn't have the hope or the courage to cross the sea. Normally my series Island, that I depict the image that is in the other room, where I'm presenting all the horizons, it shows a kind of representation of the seascape that is presenting the subjective image of somebody who is inside the water or navigating or adrift in the water. But this piece is one of the first where I'm decided to represent the shore, the coast, the stones, just the moment of the limit between the land and the water, because it's a work that is speaking more about resignation, about this feeling of frustration of a population that decided that migration sometimes is not the solution for their life. There is a lot of resignation, fear, and aimlessness. You can find in the other work, name it El Abrazo, which is another piece where I am trying to move painting to a sculpture and trying to play between the two techniques and materials and the use of the space. It's about the fragmentation and the division, but also about the claustrophobic feeling that I want that the viewer experiment if they go inside the painting. In my work, it's not only a metaphor about the situation, the present situation of society, it's also a reflection about the future, but also about the past, about the memories, about the history of a country. I'm using art also like as a therapy, as a way for me to express my inner conflicts or my inner reflections about reality that I am experimenting, but also as the voice of others, as the chance. My art is the chance not only of a lot of people to work with me and to share in the experience of art, it's also a chance of creating an echo of the experience and life of so many people. So that is enough challenge for me as an artist.